Today, I will be reading about the brave baker of Bavaria. In the misty valleys of medieval Bavaria, where castles loomed and markets buzzed, lived a girl named Clara. Clara was 5, with flour-dusted curls and a knack for baking. Her family's bakery filled the village with the scent of bread, but a greedy baron demanded half their loaves, leaving little for others. One autumn day, the baron's guards took all the bakery's flour. "The baron wants a feast," they sneered. Clara's father sighed. "We'll starve." Clara clenched her fists. "I'll get our flour back." She grabbed a basket of her best rolls and marched to the baron's castle. The castle gates were tall, and guards glared. Clara held up her rolls. "For the baron," she said. They let her in, thinking her a servant. Inside, the baron sat, counting gold. Clara curtsied. "Try my bread, my lord." The baron bit into a roll and smiled. "Delicious." "Who are you?" Clara said. "Clara, a baker. Return our flour, or no more bread." The baron laughed. "Clever girl, but you're small." A tiny sparrow flew in, landing on Clara's shoulder. "I'm Fritz, spirit of wits," it chirped. "Outsmart him." Clara nodded. "A challenge, my lord. If I bake a loaf bigger than your table, free our flour." The baron smirked. "If you fail, you work for me." Clara returned home, worried. Fritz fluttered. "Use your heart." Clara mixed dough with her mother's lullaby, kneading love into it. She baked all night, and the loaf grew huge, glowing golden. Clara and her father carried it to the castle. The baron gasped. It covered his table. "You win," he grumbled, returning the flour. The village cheered, and Clara shared bread with everyone. Fritz tweeted, "Sing your bravery, Clara." Clara loved singing while kneading. At the market, she taught the children a song about the brave baker, and they clapped, munching rolls. The bakery thrived, and the baron never bothered them again. Clara baked daily, her loaves full of heart. Her songs spread across beat.
Bakes with flour and care, but the baron takes more than his share. With her rolls she storms the gate, brave young baker changing fate. Oh, Clara bake with heart and might, bread so bold it wins the fight. Knead the dough, let courage rise, brave baker's song will touch the skies. Fritz the sparrow, small and wise, whispers tricks with sparkling eyes. Challenge set, a loaf to bake, bigger than the baron's take. Oh, Clara bake with heart and might, bread so bold it wins the fight. Knead the dough, let courage rise, brave baker's song will touch the skies. believes. Tables covered, barons beat. Clara's bread brings victory sweet. Oh, Clara bake with heart and might. Bread so bold it wins the fight. Knead the dough, let courage rise. Brave baker's song will touch the skies. Oh, Clara bake with heart and might. Bread so bold it wins the fight. Knead the dough, let courage rise. Brave baker's song will touch the skies. Oh, Clara bake